guys, Prop Choice here, and thanks for tuning in. So, you're interested in starting prop trading, but worried about the costs. Well, good news is you don't have to part with substantial amounts of money just to get started. The following prop firms provide an opportunity to dive right into the prop trading space for as little as $49. These are the best value firms, offering significant account sizes at the most competitive prices. Make sure to watch until the end, as we count down to reveal the best priced prop firm of 2023. Lux Trading Firm are renowned for offering the highest scaling potential of any prop firm, offering maximum potential funding of $10 million. As a UK-based firm, they're priced in pounds sterling. Their two-step program starts at £149 for a $25,000 account, ranging up to £599 for a $200,000 account. Their $100,000 account is priced at £449, which is roughly $550 based on the current exchange rate. They also have a unique $1 million one-step evaluation account which costs £1,499. FundedNext is a leading prop firm with one of the best scaling programs, offering consistently profitable traders the chance to increase their account size to as much as $4 million. Their prices start at $49 for a $6,000 account, maxing out at $999 for a $200,000 account. Their $100,000 account is priced at $549. MyFundedFX is one of the industry's best reviewed firms, offering both one-step and two-step accounts and a flexible trading environment. Their account sizes start at $40 for a $5,000 account, ranging up to $1,399 for a $300,000 account. Their $100,000 account comes in at a price of $500. Funded Trading Plus is one of the most trusted firms in the industry, known for their flexible trading platform and fair rules. Their prices start at $119 for a $12,500 account, ranging up to $949 for a $200,000 account. Their $100,000 account is competitively priced at $499. The funded trader has one of the strongest track records and most competitive prices in the industry. A $5,000 account costs just $65, and their largest $400,000 account is priced at $1,879. The funded trader's $100,000 account costs $499. Smart Prop Trader have grown to become one of the most popular and trusted prop firms in the industry, and their ultra-competitive prices are a big reason for why that's the case. Their prices start at $67 for a $10,000 account, ranging up to $867 for a $200,000 account. At $467, they offer the cheapest $100,000 account of any leading prop firm. On top of that, Smart Prop Trader run regular promotions that bring their prices down even more. They offer an industry-leading 85% starting profit split, which is scalable up to 90%, and the quickest support of any prop firm. They don't just offer cheap prices, they offer unmatched value, and that's why they rank as the best priced prop firm for 2023. And that wraps up our list of the best priced prop firms. Choosing the firm that's right for you is crucial, and it's not all about the price, it's about the product. Every one of the firms on this list delivers value where it counts. They provide quality support and a favourable trading environment. Make sure to do your research to find the one that best suits your trading style and goals. Check out my recent video on the top prop firms offering free trial accounts to help guide you on your way. If you have any thoughts or questions, leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more insightful prop trading content. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.